Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you 10 side hustles that you can do from the comfort of your home and make money. You know, we here on this channel, it's all about making money and helping you become the best version of yourself. We are sharing free resources that will help you to add more money, more coins to your bank account. Not just coins, more money to your bank account. We're not discussing coins here. Whether you're looking for an extra buck, to earn an extra buck, to get a fun, or to monetize your stay at home time, guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing 10 side hustles that can really be done from the comfort of your home. All you need is a good internet connection, consistency, and basic computing knowledge. Guys, you can make good money in a month. Some of the websites that I'm going to be sharing with you will pay you daily. Yes, and the first one is drum rolls, Prolific. Yes. Prolific is a research platform that allows you to participate in paid studies. You can listen in studies related to a wide range of topics, including social sciences, psychology, and consumer behavior. Another website is Swagbox. Yes, so guys, Swagbox rewards you for surveys. Yes, so Swagbox is a platform that lets you earn money by completing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, and playing games. And you can earn Swagbox that can be redeemed for cash, yes, or gift cards. The website has paid out over $500 million in rewards to its members. The next website here is QMe.com. So guys, QMe.com is a website that pays you to search the internet. Guys, you can download the QMe browser extension and earn money by clicking on sponsored search results. You can also earn money by taking surveys and completing offers. Second to none is the secret shopping website that lets you earn extra income by doing things like shopping and dining out. It's a website that offers mystery shopping services to various industries like retail, dining, hospitality, and so much more. Besties, as a mystery shopper, you will be assigned to visit locations and evaluate the customer service, cleanliness, and overall experience of the establishment. You will then provide detailed feedback to second to none, and they would pay you for your time and effort. While they pay for each assignment, each assignment varies depending on the complexity and duration of the task. Mystery shopping can be a fun way to earn some cash, yes, so while also getting a chance to shop or even dine out. Another way to make money is through Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards is a survey app that allows you to take short surveys and earn money while doing so. And you can take surveys whenever you have a few free minutes, and the money is sent directly to your PayPal account. Yes, so it's an easy way to earn a few extra dollars in your spare time. Please note this: and while you're signed up on all of these survey websites, please try not to use your real name, your real address, your real phone number, your social security, and your card details. Do not put in your debit or credit card details on any of these websites, and do not use your real email address. You can actually create a separate email address for the purpose of these surveys, so that people will not hack into your system, or you start getting funny emails from random people all over the internet. So please be mindful of all of these options. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. If you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. I see you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. And yes, if you're seeing me for the first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. On this channel, I share with you guys 3 videos every week. Yes, it's all about helping you win big, not just win small, but win real big. Yes, so on this channel, I share various ways to make money online. I share grant information. I share ways to make money that no one is talking about. Yes, there are lots of ways to make money, and I've shared some time on this channel how you can make money from a website. It's not a secret website, but it's something nobody is talking about, and nobody is utilizing this opportunity. It is called Nextdoor app. Yes, Nextdoor app, neighbors, Nextdoor. That is the name of the app. Nextdoor app is an app you need. Yes, so if you have a skill, you can actually monetize your skills and your your passion. Yeah, you can monetize it, turn it into profit. Once you're able to do that, head over to Nextdoor. Sign up on Nextdoor. It's actually for people in your local community. So you go there and advertise whatever products or services that you're offering. When you do that the first time, you can start by introducing yourself. Hey neighbors, my name is X and Y. I offer X and Y services. I'm from this, I'm from from that, be friendly. Of course, people buy from people that they like and know and trust. But you can build trust by, sharing a little information about yourself and tell them what kind of services that you offer. It could be painting services, it could be hair making, it could be anything at all. And then you have neighbors, buzzing you up to find out, hey, can you do these services for my child, or can you do it for me, and stuff like that. When you do that the first time, you can get a lot of impression. Impression, I mean number of people that get to see your posts. Yes, you can get thousands of impression in 24 hours. When I first sent out my first post on Nextdoor, I got 1,500 views in 24 hours. Yes. And another way to do this is, don't sound salesy. Please, the next time you post, you can post there every day. Just don't sound sales. And I'll give you the secret, the tip. Yes, this is a bonus tip, by the way. Like I said, on this channel, we're not gatekeeping, or we're sharing information. We're not hurting information. It's all about helping you to win, not just win, but win real big. Now, the next time you want to post, you can post there every day. Don't worry, there's a hack to it. The next time you want to post, make sure that you start with motivational quotes. Always add value. Start with motivational quotes, something that will lift their spirits and make them happy. When you do that, then you put pictures of what your services are, whatever it is that you're offering to them, whatever your products are or your services. Put them right under the motivation. Yes, just give them, just tell them you are beautiful, you are amazing, and just in case someone has told you, you are, you're gorgeous, and I'm proud of you. And you can even say a word of prayer to them as you all, step out today. I pray that the Lord will bless you. I know many people have different religions. They have Buddhists, Hindus, and stuff like that, but just pray for them. Nothing, there's nothing as good as, you wishing people, being a well wisher to other people. In fact, strangers and neighbors that don't even know you. When you wish them well, or you send motivational quotes to them, put pictures. You can put a couple of pictures about, of what you do or your services or the products that you're offering. Give it to, share it alongside. People will start to buzz you. People will start to, notice you, and they will start to email. You can give them your website or your email address. You can put it there so that they can reach out to you and book your services. Now, when you do that, it's one way. You can also ask them to DM you, send you a direct message. It's faster and quicker. You can make money. You can make $1,000 in a day if you utilize Nextdoor well. Yes, so I'm speaking from experience. You are welcome. Head over to Nextdoor. I'm not an affiliate. I am not working for Nextdoor. This is just information that is working for me, and I decided to share with you guys. So yes, if you have not seen my previous videos, go check it out. On this channel by now, you should know that it's all about adding value to you, giving you freebies, resources that will help you to win, not just win, but win real big. It's all about helping you add more money into your bank account. It's all about helping you to live a financially free life. Yes, so, and I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can make good money. Yes, from all of these websites that I've shared with you guys. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments. I'm working for you guys day and night. I got you. So ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And yes, just in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. If you have not checked out my previous videos, please head over to my channel, watch all my videos, like and share. If you have not introduced yourself yet, God is watching you. Oh yeah, introduce yourselves in the comments, and do well to click on the like button, share this video as well, and turn on your notification bell so that the next time I drop a video on this channel, you're among the first to get notified. You're welcome. Do well to share with your friends and your village members, including your enemies, yes, and your besties. Yeah, so we want them to win, not just win, but win real big. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. But till then, keep winning and keep sparkling. God bless you all. Bye for now.